Welcome to Math Challenge 231. Math Challenge brings you interesting math quiz problems, questions and patterns, useful for junior and senior levels of national and international Olympiads, numerical reasoning and quantitative aptitude tests, and other competitive exams. This is an exponential equation. 3 to power x square into 9 to power x is equal to 27 to power root x. It will have 4 roots, 2 real and 2 imaginary. So, let's solve it in just a few seconds. 9 power x may be written as 3 power 2x. 27 power root x can be written as 3 power 3 root x. So, we get 3 as the base on both sides. On the left side, the exponent is x square plus 2x. On the right side, the exponent is 3 root x. So we equate the exponents. X square plus 2x is equal to 3 root x. Let us write y for root x, then y square will be x and y power 4 will be x square. So, we get y power 4 plus 2y square minus 3y is equal to 0. We got y power 4 plus 2y square minus 3y is equal to 0. Take out y as a common factor. The other factor is y power 3 plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Break plus 2y as minus y plus 3y. So, one solution is y is equal to 0. Or y power 3 minus y plus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0. From the first two terms, we get y into y square minus 1. Y square minus 1 is equal to y minus 1 into y plus 1. From the last two terms, we can write 3 into y minus 1. Take y minus 1 out as common. We get y minus 1 into y square plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. So, the second solution is y minus 1 is equal to 0 or y is equal to 1. The remaining factor gives y square plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Using quadratic equation formula, we get imaginary values which we reject. So, the two real roots are y is equal to 0, that is, root x equal to 0, giving x is equal to 0. Y is equal to 1, that is, root x equal to 1, giving x is equal to 1. The other two roots are imaginary. So real values for x are 0 and 1.
Was that interesting? If you have any other method, we would love to learn from you. We shall come back with more interesting videos. Like, share the videos, and subscribe to our channel, if you are a math lover. Till then, goodbye.